Gottfried Helnwein is an Austrian-Irish visual artist. He has worked as a painter, draftsman, photographer, muralist, sculptor, installation, and performance artist, using a wide variety of techniques and media. His work is concerned primarily with psychological and sociological anxiety, historical issues and political topics. His subject matter is the human condition. The metaphor for his art is dominated by the image of the child, particularly the wounded child, scarred physically and emotionally from within. His works often reference taboo and controversial issues from recent history, especially the Nazi rule and the horror of the Holocaust. As a result, his work is often considered provocative and controversial. Helnwein studied at the University of Visual Art in Vienna. He lives and works in Ireland and Los Angeles. Helnwein was born in Vienna shortly after World War II. His father Joseph Helnwein worked for the Austrian Post and Telegraphy Administration, and his mother Margaret was a housewife. Helnwein had a strict Roman Catholic upbringing. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.